no. Oh. It's gonna be a damn good morning. Oh, hey, morning, buddy. How we doing today? Not much over there, man. Oh, man, I told you watching. Oh. Hey, morning, Harry. Peanuts? Oh, no, but oh, look at that. Open that. Oh. That was a good morning.
Dude, give me some of those pills. Then a full-on scrotum.
Look what he did! It's swollen! I'm not happy! That's not arousal!
Alright, we gotta get this fucker back.
Bald man will pay.
I've got a plan. Better. Yeah.
Huh? What the?
What happened? What's up?
He's fucking bleeding. He's fucking bleeding?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Sometimes the world looks perfect, nothing to rearrange. Sometimes you just get a feeling like you need some kind of change. No matter what the odds are this time, nothing's gonna stand in my way. This flame in my heart, like a long lost